In the heart of our food system, from the nurturing soil of farms to the vibrant plates on our tables, lies a secret world of transformation led by the smallest yet mightiest of heroes, microbes. These tiny powerhouses are the hidden heroes of our culinary world, orchestrating a dance of flavors and sustainability right beneath our eyes. Here at the farm, beneath the greens and under the soil, a microscopic symphony plays, starting the incredible journey of our food. In this world, unseen to the naked eye, microbes work tirelessly, setting the stage for a natural miracle of transformation and preservation. Fermentation, a process powered by these microbes, not only helps in reducing waste, but also enriches our soil, making our farming practices more sustainable. These unseen allies, through the magic of fermentation, transform simple ingredients into an array of flavors, from the tangy to the savory, enhancing our food in ways beyond our imagination. Like skilled chefs, they meld in more flavors, creating foods that not only bring pleasure to our taste buds, but also offer unique health benefits. Each dish is a testament to nature's alchemy, where sustainability meets flavor, all orchestrated by the diligent work of microbes. As these foods make their way from farm to fork, they carry with them stories of culture, tradition, and the ingenious work of nature's tiniest craftsmen. So next time you delight in your favorite fermented dish, take a moment to appreciate these invisible chefs. From the soil to your fork, they play a vital role in crafting the sustainable and flavorful essence of our food. They remind us that in the world of food, the smallest entities are often behind the most significant transformations.